So you want to make an actor move somewhere without full AI setup. That simple move to location. It's a stripped down version of AI move to no blackboard, no behavior tree, just point and go. Perfect for prototyping. And to get this node, just click, right click and type simple move to location. For now, we just removed it because we have created a logic for our better understanding. We are taking an execution pin from simple move to location and putting a delay after it of 2 seconds to get a random location again and again and again. And remember this, we need get player controller to use this node, which simply mean that it will only move the character which is controlled by the controller or the player is controlling as of that moment. Now, as you can see on the screen, we need the NavMesh bound. Even though it's a simple breakdown version of that, but even then we will need a NavMesh to use it. And we will demonstrate it by duplicating a same character that we are going to play. That these two will not move and only the version that comes when I start the game will only move, which we will see in the moment. And in the last video, I didn't show you how to bring the nav mesh. So you can just add it like this as I already showed you. And then you have to take it, let's take it right, some more right and snap it to the ground. And as you can see, we have this green layer which show us that the NPC can move here. The AI can navigate where this green thing is. And to toggle is open and off, you just have to click T and it will on and off like this. And when we press begin play, as you can see on the screen, those two cubes are not moving. Only the cube that comes with begin play is moving, as you can see on the screen of you. There are three cubes and all these three are copy of one another. All of these are of character class, but all of them are not moving. Now it's good for prototypes, player click to move or moving pawn in strategy style games. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.